Welcome to the Art Project. Today we're going to make a found object color wheel as inspired by Miriam Paternoster at artiscula.com. Check out the description below for a link to that website. This is a color wheel and it is arranged by colors and the colors that they mix. Yellow and red make orange, yellow and blue make green, and blue and red make violet. If it's not organized this way, it's not really a color wheel. This is a color wheel made by Miriam Paternoster. These are some more found object color wheels made by her class. This is Emmy, and she's going to help us to make a color wheel. First, we're going to grab her purple collar. Red shoes, orange pumpkin. Really, you're going to look around the house and you're going to find anything at all that are colors of the color wheel. Yellows and reds and blues and purples and greens and oranges. Books and coffee mugs and clothing. Anything you can find. Now, there's two ways that you can do this. One, you can make it temporary. If you're doing this class online, if you're a virtual student, you can take a picture of your finished product. You can turn the finished product, the finished photograph in, and put all of your colorful items back where they belong. I highly recommend this if you're using stuff from around the house that you're going to want to use again, like a coffee mug. Don't glue that down. If you want to make a permanent one, you can hot glue your items to a piece of cardboard, like the cardboard that pizza comes in. A nice cardboard box, square cardboard box, would be perfect for making a permanent color wheel. Just remember, use things that you would normally throw away, recycled material of different colors. We used our dining room table because it was large and we kind of got carried away and we wanted to make a really big color wheel. We did, however, eventually put all of these pieces back where they go, and so this was not permanent, it was just fun to make. So there you have it. There's our finished product. Now it's your turn to go make a found object color wheel. Go make some art.